So hello guys, welcome to this channel. I am your host Harry. So today in this video I will unbox a HP laptop. So let's start the video. So first of all, you can see here some specification of this laptop. AMD Ryzen 3 3rd generation, Windows, 8 GB RAM, Full HD IPS LED display. That's all. In this laptop have an anti-glare display also. So this is the charger, power cord, and this is your 65-watt charger. Quality is so good. I'm satisfied. So let's put it on the aside and let's see what we got inside. Here is some user manual. You can read this. Yeah. Good. So this is your laptop. So let's open this. This stuff is soft. Let's open this one also. Here is laptop, your laptop. It's looking so beautiful. Color is so good. Wow, amazing. So let's open this. Oh, where is, I think this side. Okay, let's open this. Wow, look at this. This is so beautiful. Here is Microsoft Home and Student, a lifetime version, and that's all in this laptop. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. So I got two free items, this one and this one.